Hi, today we will discuss basic concept of accounting equation and how the transaction affect on accounting equation and balance sheets. So here is accounting equation asset is equal to liability plus capitals. So as we know the assets is resources and debit items of the trial balance of the business. So asset is a list of assets that the business entity owns, and here liability means the claims on resources and credit items of the trial balance of business. So this is a list of liability that the business entity owes. So here accounting equations should always be in balance. These equations have unique features in the sense that all business transactions will affect equation in such a way that either the equity is maintained or a new equality is achieved. This is because of the operations of the double entry concept or dual aspect concept. Thus, if a transaction's effect increases or decreases business, the one side of the equations, it will also affect the increase or decrease the other side of the equations. It may be noted that a business transaction result in change in all or any of the component of the equations. Whatever be the changes, the accounting equation remains in balance. Some of the following may be the possible combinations of changes or effects. So effect on financial transactions on accounting equations. I'm going to give you the example and how it affects the accounting equations. Suppose increase in one assets, decrease in another assets. For example, sales of goods. Second one's increase in assets, increase in liability. Here. For example, taking loan. The third one, increase in assets, increase in capitals. That means the additional capitals. Fourth one, decrease in assets, decrease in liability. That means the repayment of loan. So here repayment of loan. Now fifth one, decrease in assets, decrease in capitals. For example, loss on sales. Sixth one, increase in liability, decrease in liability. That means the bills payable endorsed. So seventh one, increase in liability, decrease in capitals. Here, decrease in capitals. That means outstanding expenses. And eighth one, decrease in liability, increase in capitals. That means the conversions of loan into capitals. And last one, increase in capital, decrease in capitals. That means interest. Example is interest on drawing. Yes. So here you can understand how increase or decrease liability or asset sides of the transaction for the transactions, how it affect the accounting equations, whether it asset side or liability sides. Here is the last two practical problems of these chapters. So you can see show the accounting equations from the following transactions. So see the transaction number first. Uday commenced business with rupees 100,000. So as we know the effect of these transactions, the cash will increase by 100,000 and also simultaneously the capital will also increase. So write here cash 100,000 and this side's capital 100,000. Now see another transaction, purchase land for 24,000. So 24,000, that means cash will decrease by 24,000. Simultaneously the land will be increased by 24,000. Now see the third time, the constructed building at a cost of rupees 25,000 paid in cash. So right here 25,000 cash will decrease plus building how much, 25,000. Now see the fourth transaction, purchase furniture for 5,000, decrease 5,000 cash, and here furniture will increase by 5,000. Now see the fifth transactions, purchase goods for 8,000 on cash. So right here 8,000 cash will decrease and plus here goods will increase by 8,000. Now sixth transaction, purchase goods for rupees 30,000 on credits. So goods is here 13,000 will increase and its purchase on credit basis, so creditor will increase by 13,000. Now see the seventh transaction, sold goods for cash rupees 18,000 and actual cost was 12,600. So goods will decrease by 12,600 and cash will increase by 18,000 increase, and 18,000 minus this, that will be 5,400 profit. So it will be included in capital account as it is a profits. So 5,400. Now see the 8 transactions, paid salary rupees 2,000 to salesmen. So 2,000 cash will decrease and it is a paid, it is expenses, so it will be deducted from the capital. Now see the another transactions, paid insurance premium on building rupees 500. So 500 rupees will deducted from the cash on the asset sides and it is also expenses, so it will be deducted from the capitals. So now we have to add both the sides, asset sides and liability sides. Okay, so cash remaining is how much? It will come 53,500 plus land is 24,000 plus building is how much? 25,000 plus goods furniture is 5,000 plus goods remaining is 8,400. So total is how much? 115,900 assets. Now see the liability sides. Creditor is 13,000 plus here capitals. Capitals remaining is 102,900. So total is 115,900 liability. So both the side is equals and new accounting equation is 115,900 asset sides and liability side 115,900. So see the another example. This is the last one for this chapter, accounting equations. See here, accounting equation. Show the accounting equation and prepare a balance sheets on the basis of last accounting equations. So we are have to show after the accounting equation. I will show the how the amount put on the balance sheets. So see first ones started with business with cash rupees 50,000. So our business cash will increase by 50,000. Right here 50,000, and also capital will increase by simultaneously. So right here 50,000 capitals. Now see second transactions, purchase goods from Ram on credit basis. So right here goods, our goods will increase by how much? 10,000, and it's purchased on credit basis, so creditors will increase by 10,000. Now see the third transaction, cash sales rupees 2,000. So cash sales means 2,000. What sells? It sold the goods. So 2,000 goods will decrease. And fourth one, credit sales to Hari rupees 1,500. Credit sales means right here credit sales 1,500, and credit sales, that means the debtor will increase, debtors 1,500. Okay, now fifth transaction, furniture purchased for cash rupees 10,000. So right here 10,000 cash will decrease, and furniture, that means assets, will increase by 10,000. Now last transactions, salary paid rupees 8,000. So 8,000 cash will decrease, and also this is expenses, so it will be deducted from capital. So now we have to add both the sides. The cash is remaining 34,000 here, plus what is this, goods is remaining 6,500, plus debtors 1,500, plus furniture is 10,000. So total asset is 52,000, and this sides, liability sides, creditor is 10,000 plus 42,000 capital is remaining. So total is 52,000. So new accounting equation is 52,000 assets equal to the 52,000 liability. So we will show how we can put the amount and items on the balance sheets. So balance sheet showing on balance sheet on the basis of last accounting equations. Now list all the cash item, assets item. Cash, how much cash is remaining? 34,000. Now say goods is remaining 6,500. Now debtor is 1,500. Yeah, and last one is a furniture. Right here furniture, how much? 10,000. If you add, it will be same the balance 52,000 assets. Now see the liability sides. The creditors is how much? 10,000, and capital is remaining how much? 42,000. So right here total liability is 52,000. So balance sheet is equals. We can show like that after the calculating all the accounting equations, all the transaction based on accounting equation, we can show the balance sheet like that. So for I just completed this chapters now. I hope you can understand the basic concept of accounting equations. If you have any doubt, you can comment on my video. I can reply to you and clear your doubts. So I will start the generalizing entry for next chapters and will show the types of accounts and how you will pass the journal entry clearly, and I will explain each and everything. So please follow and subscribe my channels for more video and updates. Thank you.